Hey, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo clamp base roof rack system for the 2013 through 2020 Ford Fusion sedan. This system includes three components, starting with the Evo clamp foot pack, set of four, and the WingBar Evo Load Bars, set of two, available in silver or black, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit. And I'll go over these components in detail, starting with the fitting kit. The fitting kit includes four of these rubberized metal door frame brackets and four rubber molded base pads. So each of which have numbers that are assigned to them, which correspond to numbers in the instruction sheet included with the fit kit. And those numbers will guide you in the correct positioning on the proper foot. So here's an example. We have one of the feet. I'll just remove the outer cover. It just pops out. And then here, we've already applied a sticker. This is designating this foot as the front left position. So you just find the corresponding numbered base pads and press those around the perimeter of the base on the foot. And then the door frame bracket simply clicks into place, and that prepares this foot for the installation. Now next, you have these two silver tabs here. Those silver tabs, you press one or both in order to allow the load bar to slide into the top. Let's do that next. So this is the WingBar Evo Load Bar. We've cut this one down so that you can see the construction. It is a aluminum alloy extruded box beam construction. There is a track down the top that allows for access attachment of certain accessories directly into the bar, giving a very clean integrated method of attachment. Now on the underside here, we have the slot that holds the foot in place. At the bottom of the slot, we have a measuring device. Again, those numbers on that measuring device correspond to the instruction sheet, and that gives you guidance in the correct positioning of the foot on the bar. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll press in on those silver tabs and then slide the foot onto the bar. And then you just bring that foot down to the position assigned. Now you'll notice we have some exposed track here. We can fill that in with rubber that's provided with the load bars to maintain good aerodynamic performance even on the underside of the load bar. We can go ahead and put that end cap back into place. Now when it's time to tighten the roof rack to the vehicle, there's a fastener, and you just tighten that up with the tool provided with the foot pack. Once it's fully tightened, this handle will click, and that helps to ensure you've tightened it fully. Now we can go ahead and replace the outer cover and just snap that into place. Give this plastic plug a quarter turn, and that'll hold that cover in place. Though you do have the option to replace this plastic plug with an actual metal keyed lock cylinder, giving you a very good theft deterrent for the roof rack system when you purchase a set of four for all four of your towers. However, you can also purchase these lock cylinders in sets of 6 or 8, or even special order additional matched lock cylinders so that you have your roof rack and your carriers all key matched for added convenience. Okay, so those are all the key features of the Thule Evo clamp base roof rack system for the 2013 through 2020 Ford Fusion sedan. This product, along with the full line of Thule products, are available at rackattack.com. Please see the links in our video description for all your buying options for this roof rack system. Also, we have a more in-depth video for a complete installation of this roof rack system on a vehicle if you need that additional support. Okay, that's all for now, and thanks for watching.